Hi, I'm Nicole, and welcome to Sheets and Simple. Here, we turn intimidating spreadsheets into beautifully simple but powerful tools anyone can use. Whether you're organizing your life or growing your business, I'm here to help you thrive. No expertise needed. So let's get started. Tutorial for the Feed Your Cat Habit Tracker. We know staying consistent with your habits can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be boring. This spreadsheet is your fun, interactive companion for building routines you'll love. Let's take a closer look at how to use each feature and start feeding your success, one check mark at a time. First, let's start with the instruction sheet. This tab includes helpful tips and tricks marked with a hand icon for quick guidance. Take a moment to review these tips you find throughout the tracker. Once you're comfortable, you can delete these tips for a cleaner look or leave them so you always have them right there for reference. What happens if you try to change a protected cell? Just press cancel so the formulas aren't affected. If you accidentally press OK, just press the undo button next to the search menu button in the top left of your edit ribbon, and everything will revert back to normal. Don't forget to update your time zone if you need to. You can return to this sheet at any time if you need to. Next, head over to the Setup tab. Here's where you can personalize your tracker to make it uniquely yours. Affirmations. You'll see a section for daily affirmations. Edit these to match your goals, or keep the curated list as is. It's there for you to personalize as needed. Name your cat. Add some personality by naming your cat. For example, choose something fun like Whiskers or Pumpkin. This name will seamlessly appear under the cat activity window. You can customize this as many times as you would like. Random habits. The random habit generator uses this list to inspire and keep your routine fresh. You can customize it to fit your needs or keep it as is. Now, let's move to the monthly habit tracking sheets, like month 1 and month 2. These tabs are where the magic happens, and they are the exact same, so you can compare month to month progress. Navigation section. Use the clickable links to move effortlessly between sheets. Top 5 habits. This area focuses on your most completed 5 monthly habits. This feature helps you see and analyze which habits you excel at consistently. It's a great way to identify patterns and determine which habits add the most value to your routine so you can prioritize them moving forward. Cat activity window. As you edit your habit tracker, your cat's activity window updates with fun animations showing what your cat is up to while they wait for their bowl to fill. This is also where your cat's name will appear, where it talks about what your cat is up to. Progress indicators. For each day, mark habits as completed and watch your cat's bowl fill up as you complete tasks. This is a playful and rewarding way to stay consistent, and your new accountability partner gets their belly full each time you reach your daily habit goal. Weekly habits. In the journal section provided, reflect on your weekly achievements or challenges. This will help you stay mindful and track your progress over time. Pick one habit generator. Use this tool to randomly select one habit from your daily habits to focus on, keeping things exciting and spontaneous, which takes the need to decide out of the question, ending decision burnout. To streamline your setup, select the daily habits you want to carry over to the next month. Copy them and paste them into the habits section of the following month's sheet. Select all checkboxes in a row and press the spacebar twice to reset them instantly for a clean slate. Lastly, explore the Inspiration tab. This board is packed with habit ideas across categories such as health and wellness, productivity, and goal setting creativity, and fun. Use this tab to brainstorm or refresh your habits. Remember that edits here won't affect your random habit generator, so feel free to experiment here and make the real edits to the main list in the Setup tab. That's it. At Sheets and Simple, we believe in making habit tracking more than just a chore. It's an opportunity to spark joy and stay motivated. With the Feed Your Cat Habit Tracker, you have a creative, engaging way to take charge of your goals. Whether you're using the habit generators to add variety, reflecting on your progress in the weekly journal, or enjoying your cat's playful activity updates, this tracker transforms everyday routines into something you'll look forward to. Together, let's make progress simple and rewarding. If you have any questions, message me on Etsy or comment below. If you're looking for a simple, fun way to stay on track, grab the Cat Habit Tracker. It's a one-time purchase that makes habit tracking easy and enjoyable. The link to my Etsy shop is in the show notes, where you'll find more premium tools to simplify and organize your life. Don't miss out. Check it out today. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.